of stack in terms of design thinking based approach. That could be explained by Abhishek Sankar, Aarti and Anish Kumar. So all you know that what is the design thinking stages, isn't it? It contains that empathy, define, ideate, prototype and implementation. So why we choose the design thinking approach instead of the traditional approach means, so in the design thinking approach we have an empathize phase. So what is an empathize means, suppose you have a problem and that problem could be empathized in terms of the client side user needs. Based upon the user needs, we are going to create a solution to the problem. So what is the application you have selected for the?
Okay, so now we have selected application wherein a user is using a browser and he wants to move forward or backward in the browser, because sometimes he need to access the page that was before, or sometimes the afterwards that page. So we have to use a data structure which supports the forward and backward of the page, so that the data or the links that we have created are not lost. So here we are using stack. So we are going to discuss the application of stack. We are the DT based design thinking concept, so that we can implement.
Whom you are going to develop the particular application?
And for every user who are using the browser, or for the developers who are developing them. So it will integrate the browser and the interface between the users who are using.
So anyone can tell what is the stack?
Stack is the last in first out. In this case, I am here to explain about the empathy, and here how the stack, we are going to see how the stack works on this web development. First, we are going into the first page and the next page and before page. On this concept, the stack work here. The day by day people browse the internet. According to that, the web is adapt according to the users. So this path is fully based on the stack. How the user clicks the web browser and go to the first page and go to the next page. If they want to come back, they can come back. This is a concept applied in here, and define is we need a system that remembers the page in such a way, and the most recently visited page can be received, and next page is clicked, and the next page is move on. The back button is function. Here the pop function and top functions, etc. These are all used in the stacks.
So what are the operations we can perform in the stack? Can you explain?
Push and pop operations. No? Suppose we are input one item, the values are on the bottom of the stack. Then suppose we are deleting the one value, the name is the pop. So in this solution we are many solutions here, like using array, using linked list, but we are choosing a stack because suppose one member visited the pages, we are middle of the state, we are changing the statement. So using array is not possible solution. Suppose we are using link, then we are moving to the using linked list, but our solution is forward and backward conditions. So linked list is not possible for backward to forward. It's only suitable for forward to backward. Then we are finally moving to the stack solution. Stack is the last in first out. So suppose we are forward and backward condition is suitable, and backward to forward condition is suitable. Suppose one person visited the pages at first, the pop on to the last. So go to.
Okay, so let me first summarize the solution, that is the main design ways. So first let us see what is stack basically. So stack is basically a linear data structure which works in the principle of last in first out. So that means the element that comes last, that can only leave first. So we can access the element in that order only. Also we can perform various operations in stack like push, pop and seek. Push, it is used to add an element at the last position of the stack, and pop, it means to remove the last element from the stack. And seek, we can get the top of the stack, the top element that is at the stack. So we can perform these operations. So now as we are done with the ideate, let us move to prototype. So we have to create the prototype such that the user can easily navigate to forward or backward, so that the data is present in the stack and we can access them in the given order. So here we are going to use two stacks, that is backward stack and forward stack. Let me explain clearly the prototype. So we are going to use the stack data structure where if the user logins to a page then it is added to backward stack. And also if we move forward, then the concurrent pages are added in the backward stack in a particular order. That is, it is pushed to the stack in the last position. And if the user comes back to the backward stack, to the backward page, then it is added to the forward stack. So here we are maintaining two stacks, backward stack and forward stack. So we can switch between both of the stack, and via this we can access the pages in the linear order only. If I have switched from a web page to the 3 slides further, then I can't directly access the third slide to the 0th slide. I have to come in the order only, third and then backward to second and then first and then 0. So similarly for the forward. So by applying this forward and backward stack, we can design the prototype.
So you can know that any other applications can use the stack data structures
Yes.
other than that website application.
Yes,
So in the
ma'am.
day-to-day program, we are using the function call in our program. So that function call also we are using the stack data structures. Wherever the moving and last, because why we use the stack means the last inserted item is removed first. So that type of applications are uses the stack.
Yeah.
Thank you.